Okay guys, so today I have my Sephora Play, and let's see what's in it. Here's the bag. It says Feel the Love. Must be the theme this month. And first thing is this Chloe perfume. Let's see what it smells like. It says a sublime powdery rose, feminine, natural, sexy, and chic. Okay, so I'm gonna spray it on the card just in case. Oh yeah, it's definitely rosy. I personally like more sweet scents, but this isn't like an old lady rose scent, so maybe I'll use it. Okay, so next in the bag we have this Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. So I really like the Moisture Balm and the Aqua Balm moisturizers that Belief has, so I'm excited to try the eye cream. And the next thing in here is another jar. Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm. Okay, so this is like one of those balms, and you use it to remove your makeup. I really like these. I like the ones where you don't have to wipe them off, you can just rinse them off with water. Like the Pond's Cold Cream you have to wipe off, and I just don't like that. But my favorite one, let me get it really quick. This is the Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. And you just put a pump of this in your hands, rub it, and then rub it all over your face, and it rinses off with water. I got this with my Clarisonic, and I believe this one just rinses off with water too, so I'm excited to try this. Okay, the next thing in here is this Fresh Sugar Rosé Lip Treatment. I have wanted to try the fresh lip balms for a while, so I'm happy to get this. Ooh, it's a twist off. That's great. So like you can throw this in your purse and the cap isn't gonna pop off. So it's a nice red color. Let's see if it has any pigment. Ooh yeah, a little bit. That's pretty. Oh, that smells so nice. Oh, it smells like lemonade. Oh, I love that. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this. Okay, the next thing in here is this Laura Mercier Caviar Stick eye color in rose gold. Ooh. Okay. So it's like a little cream eyeshadow crayon. I'm actually wearing all matte shadow today, so maybe I should try this on. Let's swatch it really quick. Ooh, that's pretty, really shimmery. So I'm gonna try to put some of that on my eyes and see how it looks. Ooh, I like that. It's just like a nice natural shimmer. Okay, so I really like that. It's a nice, I don't know why they call it rose gold. It's more of a champagne color to me, but I think that blended in really well with the shadow, and that'd be really pretty as an inner corner highlight too. Okay, and the last thing in here is this box. This is a Sephora Rouge Matte lipstick in the color Rebel Chic. Okay. Ooh, it's got nice soft matte packaging. I like that. Ooh, and it's like a dark wine color. I think I will take off what I'm wearing right now and put this on. Okay, let's try this on. See how it looks. So it's a lot more light than the color in the tube, but it's really pretty. Okay, so it's actually a nice berry color. It's a lot lighter than what's in the tube, but I actually really like the color. It's not patchy at all, and it's matte, but it feels super creamy on the lips and moisturizing. So I'm actually gonna wear this all day, and then I'll update in the description how it wore, but I really like it. It looks nice. And let me show you it swatched next to these other two. Okay, now let's go through the little pamphlet they gave us. Firstly, you always get your 50 extra insider points if you make an in-store purchase. So these are like little cards to cut out and give to people. You're a good friend, your eyebrows are amazing. That's always a nice compliment. Good for one makeup swap. So these are nice little cards to give people. It's kind of late for Valentine's Day, but Sephora ships pretty late in the month. So then the other side, yeah, the theme is Feel the Love. For the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick, it says the Rosé Way. Says a long-lasting creamy eyeshadow stick in a shimmering pink champagne shade that delivers a subtle sweep of color. For the lipstick, we have a Berry Good Idea. It says a super matte yet ultra conditioning lipstick in a flattering long-lasting berry shade. And for the fresh lip balm, it says Drop a Tint. It says an SPF infused balm in a subtle rosy tint that protects and conditions lips all day. It's Meltaway, a nourishing oil-based cleansing balm that clears away makeup gently and leaves skin smooth. And the Belief Eye Balm says, See you later, circles. A lightweight eye cream for a boost of moisture and refreshed looking eyes. It's a sense of style. Classic scent that combines rose and peony to embody the confident, free-spirited woman. Okay guys, so here are all the products that I got this month. I really like most of the stuff I got. The perfume is pretty floral, so I don't know if I'll use this or not. And the eye balm I'm really excited to try because I like Belief's moisturizers. The Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm. I'm excited to try this. I really like cleansing balms. The Laura Mercier Caviar Stick went on really nicely and it looks really pretty, so I like this. I will continue to use it. The Fresh Sugar Rosé Lip Treatment smells amazing and it's just a light tint of color, so I'm excited to try that. And the Sephora Rouge Matte Lipstick I really like so far. It looks really nice on the lips and it feels very nice. So again, I will update in the description how it wears, but I like it so far. So I really like all of the products that I got this month except for maybe the perfume. So this month was really great, and I know Sephora Play has kind of hit and miss months, but this month was really good. So hopefully there'll be more months like this. Let me know in the comments what you got in your Sephora Play this month and how you're liking everything, and I'll see you in my next video.